Today is February 17th, and me and Christiana are going to fly our old buddy, Scooby-Doo rocket. She is the controller. There's the Scooby-Doo rocket. You can see it's a very, very nicely built rocket. And it's going to be running on a C motor. We've got a little bit of a northwest wind. So we're going to hopefully get this exactly right, and it should land right back to us. I will start pronouncing the countdown, not yet. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Liftoff. Oh, I don't think it did work, Mama. Uh-oh.
Whoa.
Let's see. Look where they're going.
It's on that hill.
Right there. We can go get them.
Go.
Let's go get it. What do you think about that? What do you think about that?
That was loud. But fun. That thing was so hard to press.
I know, because it's just safety. So that you'd have to really push hard to make that thing fly. That was cool.